Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. So yesterday we are in the middle of the quadratic equation solving. So we'll complete and we'll go back to some numericals related to the square root of the complex numbers and certain things, and some numericals based on this. Yeah. So I think we done how many numericals, students? We done how many numericals yesterday? Guys, please respond.
3, sir.
3. So the fourth one, yes, they are asking solve each of the following equations. So board level point of view, the textbook level point of view, all are simple numericals. What is the formula we have to use irrespective of whatever the equation it was? We have to use the roots of a quadratic equation is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So when it comes to fourth numerical, what are the roots?
So have you presented, sir?
Sorry, madam. Yeah. So anyone can give the roots of the fourth question? Minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the delta value? Students, please respond. These are the simple numericals. Please respond, everyone. Raghav, Kirtana, Sriya, Vaishnavi, Srinidhi. B square minus 4ac, where b is 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 into c is minus 2. This will be 1 minus 8. This will be minus 7 under the root. So delta will be equal to I root 7, I can write. So the roots are minus b plus or minus I root 7 divided by 2 into minus 1. This will be minus 1 plus or minus I root 7 divided by minus 2. So if I am writing separately minus 1 plus I root 7 by minus 2, minus 1 minus I root 7 by minus 2. So the simplest form of the roots are 1 minus I root 7 by 2, 1 plus I root 7 by 2. Do you agree, students?
Yes, sir.
The same way, if I am taking the next question, x square plus 3x plus 5. Please solve and let me know what are the roots. X square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. My a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5. So the delta is equal to how much here? B square minus 4ac
minus 7.
4 into 1 into 5. So 9 minus 20 minus 11. Is it minus 11?
Yes, sir.
Now if I am using the roots equation minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, what I am getting? Minus 3 plus or minus I root 11 divided by 2a. So this answer is how much? Minus 3 plus I root 11 by 2 minus 3 minus I root 11 by 2. These are the two options we are having. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Please solve the sixth question and let me know what is your answer. Please solve the sixth question and let me know what is your answer. Sixth question. X square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1. B is equal to -1, C is equal to 2. So delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. This is -1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into C is 2. So -1 whole square is 1. 4AC is -8. So -7. So delta is equal to root delta will be equal to I root 7. The roots are minus B plus or minus root delta, that is I root 7 by 2A. This will be 1 plus or minus I root 7 by 2. 1 I root 7 by 2, 1 minus I root 7 by 2. This is how we can do this question. Yeah. Same. Any different answers you got?
Sir, A is 1, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, correct, sir.
B is also 1 only.
Yes, sir. Correct, correct.
Seventh question. Your A is equal to root 2, B is equal to 1, C is equal to root 2. So delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. So this will be 1 square minus 4 into root 2 into root 2. This is 1 minus h, that is root 7, root minus 7. So root delta is equal to I root 7. So now minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. Same. It's like copying of each and everything with the different values. So -1 plus or minus I root 7 by 2 into root 2. So the answer is -1 plus I root 7 by 2 root 2, -1 minus I root 7 by 2 root 2. Using the same method, can you solve the rest of the 3 questions, guys? I'm waiting for you people. I need the answers from different people, not from single person. Please try to solve this 8th question. Anyone got the answer for 8th question? Please let me know. A is equal to root 3, B is equal to minus root 2, C is equal to 3 root 3. Anyone got the answer for 8th question?
Root
What is delta?
delta is -34.
So minus root 2 whole square is 2, minus 4 root 3, 3 root 3. 2 minus 36 minus 34. So that root delta is equal to I root 34. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So minus of minus root 2 plus or minus I root 34 divided by 2 root 3. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what is answer? Minus root 2, sorry, plus root 2 plus I root 34 divided by 2 root 3 plus root 2 minus I root 34 by 2 root 3. If you take root 2 common, you can simplify this one like this. If I am taking root 2 common in the numerator, in the denominator, if I am taking root 2 common, I will get like this: 1 plus I root 17, root 2 cancel. This will be 1 minus I root 17 by root 6. This is also one more simplest form of representing the roots. Or you can leave it like that. Doesn't matter. Just they are asking us to solve. Yeah. Solve the 9th question, please. Done, guys. What is the answer for question number 9? Students, please. Sarvesh, Srinidhi, anyone? What is the answer for question number 9?
Sir, discriminant is 4 minus 4 root 2.
4 minus 4 root 2. Discriminant. Try to simplify the equation in a simplest form. They gave the equation x square plus x plus 1 by root 2. So I'm multiplying everything with root 2. Then I will get root 2 x square plus root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. If I'm multiplying with again with root 2. So I will get x square plus x plus root 2. I think we can proceed with this equation. If you confuse, or straight away you can go with a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1 by root 2. It's your wish. Both the methods you can do.
Sir, it should be 2x square plus 2x plus root 2.
Yeah, 2x square plus 2x plus root 2. 2x square plus 2x plus root 2. This is also fine. So delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is the b square value?
4.
If I am taking this method, 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1 by root 2. This will be how much? I got delta is little different. 1 minus 2 root 2 under the root. Root delta. If it is delta, 1 minus 2 root 2. But we got 4 minus 4 root 2. Yeah, both are same. Doesn't matter. Just I'm remodifying the equation. That's the reason it will be different here. Doesn't matter. So 1 minus 2 root 2, it's clearly showing a negative number. How to handle this situation? How to calculate the? In this case, we are holding. This is a time where you have to calculate the roots of the square root of the complex number. Then only we can able to solve the situation. So far, it looks a little simple, but there is a situation under the root we are getting like a plus. If I am able to calculate the square root, it will be easy. Square root of this. How to calculate the square root of an irrational number? 1 minus 2 root 2 square root. How to calculate, guys? Any idea? Anyone? I will give you a method. You can use as a formula or you can use straight away. The same thing we are using in complex numbers. 1 minus 2 root 2 under the root. Then only you can able to calculate in terms of complex numbers. Or here they are asking simply solve. So without complex number also you can able to straight away mention. So 1 minus 2 root 2 approximate value you can calculate and take I outside. That doesn't matter. But how to calculate the square root of this irrational number? Anyone having any idea? Students, please respond. Students, please. Anyone having an idea how to calculate square root of an rational number? And after that, using the same procedure, I'm going to calculate square root of a plus ib. I'm going to give a formula. You can use the formula for MCQs and 1 mark, or if it is a numerical, you have to solve the procedure. Anyone can guide me? Any ideas how to solve this one? Srinidhi, Vaishnavi, Nitin? No, Nitin. Navya, please. Harshida, Hamsini, guys, some response, some ideas. Hey, Raghav. Any idea?
1 minute, sir.
So assume this will be equal to root a plus root b and square on both sides. 1 minus 2 root 2 is equal to root a plus root b whole square. This will be 1 minus 2 root 2 is equal to how much? A plus b minus 2 root of ab. So if I am comparing two rational numbers, this is rational part, this is irrational part. So I'm comparing this rational part and irrational part. My a plus b is equal to plus 1. My 2 root ab will be equal to minus 2 root 2. If I'm cancelling 2, I'm getting a plus b is equal to plus 1 root of ab. That is, if I'm taking square on both sides, my ab is coming as how much? Students? 2. Is there any possibility with the help of two unknowns, two conditions, is it possible to calculate a comma b value from this? If I am able to calculate the a comma b value, my job is done here. How to calculate the a comma b value from these two equations?
Sir, can we form a quadratic equation using this?
Yes, one concept is you can form a quadratic equation. How to form a quadratic equation?
Sir, x square minus of alpha plus beta.
A into 1 minus a is equal to 2. A minus a square is equal to 2. This will be a square minus a plus 2 is equal to 0. The solution of this one will give a value, correct?
Yes, sir.
So minus of minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. B square is minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2 divided by 2a. This is 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 8 by 2. This is 1 plus or minus I root 7 by 2. So what is our answer of A? A is 1 plus I root 7 by 2, 1 minus I root 7 by 2. So what about B value? B is nothing but 1 minus A only, no? B is nothing but 1 minus A. So 1 minus I root 7 by 2. This will be 2 minus 1 plus I root 7 by 2. And I'm getting as how much? 2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus I root 7 by 2. So I'm getting A is one complex number and B is another complex number. And again, it is under the roots. So anyway, there is a situation we have to calculate the root of a complex number. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate if a plus ib is my complex number, and if I'm equating this one to plus or minus x plus iy, then what is your x value? What is your y value? How to solve this question? How to solve this question?
We have to square on both sides.
So to understand this, first I am taking with numbers. After that, I am going to prepare a formula. First, I am taking a number. Find the square root of z is equal to 5 minus 12y. Is asking root of z value. So whatever the strategy I am using here, the same strategy you can use for variable also. The given is root of 5 minus 12y. I am equating this one to x plus iy. Square on both sides. If I am squaring on both sides, what I am getting? 5 minus 12y is equal to x plus iy whole square. So 5 minus 12y is equal to what I am getting? X square plus 2xyi plus I square y square. This will be x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. So according to the equality of complex numbers, what I can write here? According to equality of complex numbers, I can take x square minus y square is equal to 5. 2xy is equal to minus 12. From here, xy is equal to minus 6. These are the two equations I got to calculate the x and y values. So after this, how to proceed? Students, after this, how to proceed? With the help of the mathematical skills, how you can proceed next to? From here, it is pure number system. How to do this one? I am taking y is equals minus 6 by x and substituting in the equation 1. What I will get? I will get a quadratic equation. So find out the quadratic equation. What you will get? X square minus 6 by x whole square is equal to 5. This will give x square minus 36 by x square is equal to 5. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying? Students, are you clear what I'm saying? X square minus 36. If I'm taking LCM, x power 4 by x square is equal to 5. This will be x power 4 minus 5x square minus 36 is equal to 0. So how we are going to solve this equation? How we are going to solve this equation, guys? If I am writing this x square whole square minus 5 of x square minus 36 is equal to 0. And I'm using the splitting the middle term x square whole square minus 9x square plus 5x square minus 36 is equal to 0. If I'm taking x square common, x square minus 9. If I'm taking, this is 4, sorry guys. If I'm taking 4 common, x square minus 9 is equal to 0. So after all deductions, my factors of this expression is x square minus 9 minus into x square minus plus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the possible values for x here, students?
9, sir. 3.
X is equal plus or minus 3, or x is equal plus or minus I root 2. Clear what I'm saying? X is equal plus or minus 3 and x is equal plus or minus I root 2. Why x is equal plus or minus I root 2 is not valid? Anyone? Can you give the reason why I have to take x is equal plus 3, x is equal minus 3? Correspondingly, I will get y is equal minus 2, y is equal plus 2.
Sir, because I root 2 is complex, sir, but the question is real number.
Yeah, x and y are real here because it's already taken complex. Let's see if I'm taking x is equal to I root 2, what will happen? Let's see whether it is possible or not. Whether it is not valid or valid, I will show later. So here the roots are what I'm getting: 3 plus I root 2, 3 minus I root 2. Correct? Sorry, minus plus 3 minus I root 2 minus 3 plus I root 2. So how I can write into single form? If I'm taking minus common, 3 minus I root 2. If I'm taking plus common, 3 minus I root 2. This is 3 minus. If I'm taking minus common, minus of minus plus. How I can write plus or minus 3 minus I root 2. Yes. This is the negative one root, positive one root. This can be written as plus or minus 3 minus I root 2. If I'm taking plus, I will get this combination. If I'm taking minus, I will get this combination. Not I root 2. It's not root 2. I2. 2i. Sorry guys. Yes, I'm confusing. Minus 3 plus 2i minus plus 3 2i. This can be written as plus or minus 3 minus 2i. See, if I'm taking plus, I will get this combination. If I'm taking minus, I will get the second combination of x and y. Is it clear? Students, is it clear? This is one set. Let's see if I am taking another combination of x, what I am getting. If I am taking another combination, why, whether my statement is true or false. Straight away, why I can't take invalid. We have to check whether it is valid or not first of all. If x is equal to plus I root 2, my y will become how much, students? My y will become how much? 3i. Do you agree? Because y is equal to how much? Minus 6 by x. Minus 6 by x. This is minus 6 by I root I2. Sorry, this is not root 2. I am confusing again and again. This is I2 only, 2i. I into 2, 3 times. So minus 3 by I, multiply with I and I, minus will cancel. This will become plus 3i. So if x is equal to 2i, my y will be equal to 3i. If x is equal to minus 2i, what is your y value? If x is equal to minus 2i, what is your y value, guys, please? If x is equal to minus 2i, your y is minus 6 by minus 2i, minus cancel, 2, 3 times, 3 by I, by multiplying with I and I, minus 3i. So another set, what I am getting? 2i, x is equal to 2i, y is equal to 3i. If x is equal to 2i, y is equal to 3i. So what is your complex number? X plus iy. If I am substituting, what I am getting? 2i plus I into 3i. What I am getting here? 2i minus 3. So this will be minus 3 plus 2i. See here, minus 3 plus 2i. Same as what I got for plus 3. If I am taking another set, if x is equal to minus 2i, what is your y value? I got y is equal to minus 3i. So what is my complex number? So x plus iy is my complex number. So minus 2i plus I into minus 3i. This will give plus 3 minus 2i. See here, this is the same as your previous thing. So if I am taking x is real also, I am getting same roots. If I am taking x is imaginary number also, I am getting the same root. Only the thing is corresponding y values are changing. So there are only two possible solutions. According to algebra, it is not violating anything. So we can't take as an impossible case in this case. I'm getting both are same roots. But is it possible to do always like this? Is it possible to do always like this, students? It will take a lot of time. Is it possible to prepare a formula for this? Anyone can start prepare a formula for this. What is my x value and what is my y value? Same procedure what I done earlier. Same procedure. I'm taking square on both sides. It will give a plus ib will be equal to how much? X square minus y square plus I into 2xy. So your a is equal to x square minus y square. Your b will be equal to 2xy. So my job is I have to calculate the x in terms of a and b, y in terms of a and b. Because a and b is given, I have to calculate the square root of this one. So from here, from the second equation, from equation 2, I'm calculating the y value. My y is equal to b by 2x. If I'm substituting this y value in this, I'm getting a is equal to x square minus b square by 4x square. If I'm taking LCM, my a will be equal to 4x power 4 minus b square divided by 4x square. After cross multiplication, I'm getting 4x power 4 minus 4ax square minus b square is equal to 0. Is it clear, guys, what I'm doing? Students, please.
Yes, sir.
So I'm taking x square as p. I'm taking to avoid confusion, I'm converting this into a quadratic equation. Consider x square is equal to p, and this whole equation is coming as 4p square minus 4ap minus b square is equal to 0. Yeah. So what is the p-value? With the help of the solving the quadratic equation, can you calculate the p-values, guys? My p is equal to plus or minus, minus b minus of minus 4a plus or minus square root of minus 4a whole square minus 4ac. A is your 4, c is your minus b square divided by 2a. Will you agree with me? Students, please respond.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm getting from here? This is 4a plus or minus square root of, I'm taking 4 square, another 4 square here. Anyway, after solving, I will do that one. 16a square minus of minus plus 16b square divided by 2 into 4 is 8. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 4a plus or minus 4 root of a square plus b square by 2. 8. This will be a plus or minus square root of a square plus b square divided by 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is my p-value. This is my p-value. P is equal to x square is equal to a plus or minus square root of a square b square. Correspondingly, from here, what is my x value? There are two possibilities for x value. There are two possibilities for x value. One is with plus, one is with minus. So if I'm taking with plus, what is your answer? If I'm taking with minus, what is your y value? First, I'm calculating the y square value. We know x square minus y square is how much, guys? What is the value of x square minus y square?
A.
A. So from here, I'm calculating the y square value. How to calculate the y square value? X square minus a is equal to y square. So my y square is equal to x square minus a. So a plus or minus square root of a square plus b square by 2 minus a. If I'm calculating this one, I will get like this. Plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. Minus a by 2.
Yes.
So from here, I can conclude the square root of plus or minus x plus iy is the square root of a plus ib. From here, I can write x is equal to a square plus b square under the root plus a by 2. Y is equal to a square plus b square minus a by 2 under the root. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
So this is one of the straight formula I can use to solve the square root of a complex number. Hope you are clear.
Sir, we can write a root of a square plus b square as modulus, right?
Yes, or you can take this is modulus of z plus a by 2 under the root is your x value. Modulus of z minus a by 2 is your imaginary value.
Yes, sir.
So shall I go for some questions based on this now? Now it is easy for you to solve any questions even though if it is coming under the root complex number. No need to explain this much of procedure for MCQs and all. If you are able to remember this simple formula, it will be easy to calculate. Guys, anyone having any doubts? Shall I go for some numericals based on this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So based on this, I am going to give some properties. Root of a plus ib is equal to plus or minus x plus iy. If I am taking correspondingly root of a square minus b square will, sorry, a minus ib. A minus ib can be written as plus or minus x minus iy. If I am adding these two equations, a plus ib plus root of a minus ib, square root of two conjugate complex numbers, if I am adding, what is your answer, guys? What's your answer? What's your answer, guys? Plus 2x only, no? Am I right? Is it plus or minus 2x? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Plus or minus 2.
Yeah, already I defined x is under the root. In terms of a and b, how we will get? 2 into modulus of z plus a by 2 under the root. If I am allowing the 2 inside, I will get 4 into modulus of z plus a divided by 2 under the root. This 2 times cancel. This will give 2 root a square plus b square plus 2a under the root. Same as if I am taking subtraction, a plus ib minus a minus ib. What is my answer? 2 root of a square plus b square minus 2a. Or you can write from here. Minus will come in place of plus here. Simple. These are the different properties on the square root of the complex numbers. I think now I hope I can go for some. Yes, please.
Sir, x can also be negative, right? Why did you take only modulus of the?
No. See, even if I'm taking plus or minus, what I will get? Again, I'm getting plus or minus only now under this root value. What I'm saying? What is the meaning of plus or minus root 4? What is the point of keeping plus or minus here? Even if I'm mentioning root here, you will get plus or
Okay, sir. Understood, sir. Yes.
Minus of plus or minus 2. This will give what is the answers here? Here possible answers are plus 2, minus 2. Here possible answer minus 2, plus 2. Both will give the same set of answers now.
Yes, sir.
It's the reason you no need to mention this plus or minus once you substitute the value of x here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going just. I already told you certain topics will, if you go a little bit out of the book, then it will be easy to solve any questions from your school. Might be we can't say different schools will go for different standards in maths. Yeah. So I'm planning to give some questions based on this.
Sir, can you show the previous slide once?
Yeah, please.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. First question. Root of minus 5 plus 12y is equal to option A plus or minus 2 plus 3i, option B plus or minus 2 minus 3i, option C plus or minus 2 plus 4i. Option D, plus or minus 2 minus 4i. One option is take any one option and square root. Square of options. Squaring of options will give the answer. Squaring of the options will give the answers. What is the square of a quadratic equation? The square of the quadratic equation, a plus ib whole square is equal to a square minus b square plus I into 2ab. This is your a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to plus 12. Based on that also you can able to discuss this one.
Sir,
Yes.
it is first option.
Yes. Sorry, not this one. See, in this case, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. In this case, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3. In this case, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4. In this case, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4. So if I am taking the product of this one, 2 times product of this one is plus 12. Possible. Here,
Not possible.
Minus
It will
12,
come
not-
minus 12.
here also not possible, here also not possible. So obviously first option. To check whether I am getting this one, a square minus b square, 4 minus 9 minus 5. Here 4 minus 9 minus 5. Here 4 minus 16. So C and D is not at all possible. So only the possible is a comma b. If I am taking second condition, 2ab condition, it should be 12. So this is one way of solving the MCQs. If it is not MCQ, how to do, guys? We know x is equal to modulus of z plus a by 2 under the root, y is equal to modulus of z minus a by 2 under the root. So this will be, what is the modulus of 5 square plus 2 square?
13.
13, correct?
Yes, sir.
13 plus minus 5 by 2 under the root, y is equal to 13 minus of minus 5 by 2 under the root. This will be how much? 8 by 2 under the root. This will be 18 by 2 under the root. I am getting my x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So the answer is plus or minus 2 plus I root 3, I3, 3i. So first option. This is also one more method to solve the square root of this question. Hope you are clear what I done here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One more question related to this. Find the imaginary part of, or this is MCQ, the imaginary part of 3 plus 2 root minus 54 whole power 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 2 root minus 54 whole power 1 by 2 can be. Option A, minus root 6. Option B, minus 2 root 6. Option C, 6. Option D, root 6. How to do this question?
Sir, is it root 6?
Yeah, here we have to go here. This slide. Here I miss I. This is the imaginary part. What is the answer you are getting?
No, sir, I'm not sure. 1 minute.
A, this is your B, this is your A, this is your B. What is your A value? 3. Your B value is how much? Your B value is 2 root 54, because minus 1 you have to take it out. This should be like 3 plus I 2 root 54. This is like 3 minus I 2 root 54. So this is looking like A plus IB under the root minus A minus IB under the root. So what answer I told you? If A plus IB under the root minus A minus IB under the root will be equal to I of, there is no real part here because of subtraction. Root of 2 times mod z minus 2a. So what is the modulus of the given? What is the modulus? So this will be the imaginary part. Imaginary part is root of 2 into square root of 3 square plus how much you have to take?
2 root minus 54.
Into 54 minus 2 into 3. What is the answer? Calculate this one. Let me know what is the answer. Please solve this part and let me know what is your answer. This means how much you are getting under the root?
Sir, 15.
15.
230.
9,
It will come root
224,
9 and 216.
215 now.
16.
15. This is 225. So this will be 2
That is
into
15.
15 minus 6. This will be
24.
36. This is root of 24. That is 4 into 6 under the root. So the
2
answer
root
is
6.
plus or minus 2 root 6. That's it.
Sir, is there any short way of doing the sum instead of formula?
So you find out the square roots of both the things and straight away. No option, no shortcut. This is only the shortcut now, man.
Sir, this is using formula, right? Like last sum,
Last
we
sum
found
of-
it out from the options. We found it out from the options, right?
Okay, you are talking like that. So here options are not possible. Why options are not possible means he is taking the subtraction of 2 square roots. He's taking because simply if I am taking the square root and all won't work here, or even that method of subtraction of no, not possible. Only the formula method. That is only the shortcut. Might be if I found any shortcut after explaining the organ diagrams, then I will tell you for this question. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
So as of now, you just go with this. So one more little bit challenging question. Please try this question. 3 now. Question number 3. If x is equal to minus 5 plus 4i, then x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 is equal to how much? Option A minus 170, option B 160, option C 170, option D minus 160. How to approach this question? Any idea? I need different inputs. Only one student is responding with the different questions. Please, guys. How to solve this question? Anyone can find out any method? Is it required each and every time I have to find out x square value, x cube value, x power 4 value, and substitution is required here? Students, please think. Try to explore some ideas. Surveys, Srinidhi, Navya, please. No one is responding. At least you tried, sir. I done this calculation. Kitna. Might be next week onwards. I'm planning for physical sessions. At that time, at least you have to respond. Kirtana, Navya, please. Nitin, anyone?
Sir, we can form some quadratic equation out of
Plus the 41.
x
So
is equal to
Sorry? How you can form a quadratic equation? So there is a possibility. X is equals minus 5 plus 4i. I'm taking minus 5 this side. X plus 5 is equal to 4i. Square on both sides. If I'm squaring on both sides, what I'm getting? I will get x plus 5 whole square is equal to 4i whole square. This will result how much? How much I will get? X square plus 10x plus 25 will be equal to minus 16. This will be x square plus 10x plus 41 is equal to 0. So after this, how we will proceed? X square plus 10x plus 41. How will proceed this one?
Sir, is it like long division?
Hmm?
We can divide this equation with the equation given in the question.
Equation given in the
Question, sir.
how?
So we can find the factors of this, and then we can take one factor and divide it with f of x.
I didn't get you. Can you repeat? After this, what I can do?
Sir, we can factorize this equation, right? X square plus 10x plus 41.
Okay. But how I can relate it to this equation here? How I can relate it to this equation?
Sir, what if we take x square common outside, sir? So that we'll get x square and then x square plus 9x plus 35.
Mhm.
So if we take it like that, we can write 9x is 10x minus x and for 35 as 41 minus 6. So we can substitute x square plus 10x plus 41 as 0, and then we'll get x square into minus x minus 6, sir.
Hmm.
Can we do it like that, sir?
Okay, possible, but I need the final answer.
I'll do it and let you know, sir.
Please explore any method how I can approach this question.
Sir,
Hmm.
we can like this equation, we can use it in x power 4 that equation, sir. Like you have to reframe the equation, sir.
How? Small point is missing. Your ideas is actually very nice. It will be useful in different situations. Here, how we can express. See, look into this. I need the value of this one with the help of this expression. If I am maintaining this set is 0, this set is 0. How I can get with the help of this? I will equate to this one.
Sir, we can write x power 4 as x power 2 into this equation.
So simplest method I will tell you. In this case, sorry guys, some technical. One second, guys. It will be useful for your quadratic equation concept also. Whenever you are getting like this, keep it in mind. Whenever you are getting like this, I am writing this equation x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 will be equal to x square into x square plus 10x plus 41 minus x into x square plus 10x plus 41 again plus 4 into x square plus 10x plus 41. Why I am not taking x cube and x square? I will let you know. If I am taking an x cube and x square, what will happen? Plus constant. If you are able to calculate this constant, that is the value of this one, because this is 0, this is also 0, and this is also 0. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying? Students, are you clear how I wrote this equation? Suppose if I'm taking some x cube into this expression, if I'm taking x cube, the maximum power of this expression is 4. Suppose if I'm taking x cube into x square plus 10x plus 41, I'm getting x power 5. So it is not possible, not required. If I'm taking x square into x square plus x into x square plus x square plus 10x plus 4, I already took x square here. So no need of taking x square. So x square, x, these values. I'm taking x square with respect to these two values. That's it. So I'm trying to equate this equation. What is the missing value I have to calculate here? What is the missing value I have to calculate? That is my job here, nothing. If I'm able to find the missing value, then my job is done. This will be x power 4. Yeah. So what is the value is required to equate this one? Students? Got it what I'm saying? Or you can take like this. This is x square plus 10x plus 41 is equal to 0. So you can make it x square plus, this will be 0, this will be 0, and this will be 0. But how I can make this equation from here? How I can equate this one? This is x power 4 plus 10x cube plus 41x square, but here minus x cube minus x cube, look in here, minus 10x square minus 41x plus 4x square plus 40x plus 4 into 41 is how much? 4 into 41 is how much, guys?
164.
164. So if I'm taking x power 4, x cube minus x cube is 9x cube, 41x square minus 41x square minus 10x square plus 4x square. So 41 plus 4 is 45. 45 minus 10 is, yeah, 2 minutes. I'm going to wind up this class. 45 minus 10 is plus 35x square. Next x values. Where is x value? This is minus 41 plus 40. This is minus x. 164 can be written as plus 4 plus 160. So
160 is answer.
the answer is 160 because this entire value is 0. This constant is, I need to add plus 160 to make the equation like this. So the answer is 160. This is one way of solving the biquadratic equation in your entrances. That's the reason I gave this problem here. So it will be equal to 160. There is no alternate method as of now. Once we done the organ diagram, then let's see is there any alternate solutions for this. I think hope you are clear. Many people are living. If I am giving a little bit extra numericals. Hope you are clear. Shall I wind up the session? Is it clear, guys? Students, are you clear?
Sir, can you tell how the whole equation that the question becomes 0?
So, no, this value already you found this is 0 now. See here. From here, this can be written as like this.
Sir, you stopped presenting.
Sorry, yes. See, this can be written as like this. This is equal to this much. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So I'm putting this whole expression is 0 now. This whole expression is 0 now. This plus this. This is equal to. It's very simple to understand. See here. The given expression x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 can be written as x square into x square plus 10x plus 41 minus x into x square plus 10x plus 41 plus 4 into x square plus 10x plus 41 plus 161. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So we already calculated what is the value of this one. What is this value?
0.
How much? So this is x square into 0 minus x into 0 plus 4 into 0 plus 161. Tell me what is the value of the given expression now?
161.
That's it. Oh, sir, 160 now. This is 160. Sorry.
Yes, sir. 160.
It's clear? Yeah, I will continue the discussion because I'm having one more session exactly at 6. It's already too
Okay,
late
sir.
for you. See,
Thank you.
just I'm introducing the what is the possibility of asking the question to another level. That's it. So this is a scope you can see in a few areas like complex numbers, conic sections, differentiation, and straight lines, trigonometry. The rest of the cases little less. Yeah, hope you're clear with this discussion. Anyone having any doubts, please let me know. Otherwise, I will wind up the session. Please.
No doubt, sir.
We'll meet in next class. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.